Clementine, the hunter, and Pip, the adventurer, were an unlikely pair. A storm trapped Clementine, and Pip, defying his fear, freed her. Gratitude sparked an unexpected bond. Clementine, no longer a predator, became Pip's protector. Pip, in turn, used his small size to aid her. They shared secrets in the barn's quiet corners, Clementine's purrs weaving tales of the world, Pip's whiskers twitching with stories of his explorations. The barn, once a hunting ground, transformed into a haven. Their friendship, defying nature's rules, proved that kindness could bridge any divide, creating a warmth that surpassed their differences.